we would kind of all just shoot the shit with each other.
Yeah.
I have to take
I
my
remember those are the good times of that job.
I could imagine some old guy calling about his son's computer. Hello, my son downloaded virus. I don't know why the guy.
I mean, I was what?
Can you please not tech support?
23.
Is this tech support? No, I'm tech support.
No, I'm tech support here. No, I'm tech support.
I am tech support here. You
Nine,
fucking know
nine.
me. You fucking know me. It's German.
It's just a bunch of different languages.
I'll send you to Hitler.
Alright, man, what you doing?
Oh fuck.
Do you have
no,
virus
right?
on your computer? Have you tried turning it off and on?
Oh, you fucking cracker.
Oh, you fucking tittlip.
Oh
You
my
fucking
God.
upside down land, you son of a bitch. Everything wanna fucking
Ah,
kill
you're
you
a
there.
fucking crocodile tooth, aren't you, bud?
I just went. I started to go Irish to Scottish there. What the?
Oi
fuck?
there, bud.
Hey, Matt, what you doing? What you doing in the club?
What you doing? What the heck?
Oh, it's Castle.
Well, we're
I
done.
don't. There's no problem with this map. It's just really who you go
Yeah,
against.
spawns get flipped quick.
Oh, we're dead. Wait, how does
Oh
somebody?
yeah, but
Oh,
Oh, good morning, officer.
I'm lagging a bit here.
I know how to deal with this. Oh, he shot through the wall.
Well,
Word is in my throat.
well,
Don't you dare, motherfucker.
well, if you really want to know,
hey, I got one.
I got one.
I won!
I won.
Yeah,
Wait, are you
literally-
serious?
There's 4 of them back there in that little
Did
hut.
they just shoot down my packages,
Oh, no.
you a-holes? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, they're coming for me.
Coming up here?
They're actively coming. They're coming!
Seriously.
Oh, behind us. Oh, they're up top.
They're
Oh,
up
okay,
top.
okay. All right, Evan, you and me are rolling together. Let's go up. Let's go up. Up, 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 up,
Hello?
up, up, up,
Oh,
up,
he
up.
threw a grenade. I'm sure.
Yeah,
he's
there's
dead.
one there. He's left
board.
side.
Oh, rockets! Ah!
Hello?
Hold on. Damn it! Geometry is unjumpable.
Is it safe over there, Evan?
No!
I got one.
Nice. I think there's another, but I don't know.
Holy shit, they're mad.
They haven't stopped shooting, boys. I'm not gonna
No.
like.
Oh, killed the other guy up there.
I'll make
Oh
sure.
my god.
Okay.
Wait,
Me every night. I'm sorry.
Fucking bitch.
hey guys, I think I found all the virgins.
That's every game of Call of Duty.
I found the virgins. I have a chance.
Die like your grandma.
I don't know about that one.
I don't wish to call people. I got
Die.
a triple kill with the rocket.
Ow.
They're all hiding in the same area.
Oh,
Holy crap, that was awesome.
they were all hiding in the same area.
It said he didn't care when I fucked him in his underwear.
What?
I don't know. I'm
Hope
sorry.
he didn't share. He got screwed.
Damn, 40. Bunch of people
Hey
at
man, I don't
40.
care about that. I care about kills.
Can I call my mom?
Can I call my therapist?
What seems to be the problem here? I don't like living.
Alright,
Get in
alright.
line.
It's number B. It's number B.
Just shut
Number.
up and die quietly.
it's a talk show now, or not a talk show?
Yeah, imagine going to
Game
therapy
show.
and it's like,
It's a game
man, I've been
show.
thinking about killing myself for a while. So the answer is C. Don't do it, fucker.
No, they bring in a bunch of people and only one of them is suicidal, and the therapist has to figure out who's suicidal.
Six happy people versus one suicidal.
Can you figure it out?
Can they figure out the person who's suicidal?
Is it A? Is it number one?
So anyway, guys, what's your life decisions? While like everyone was like, I really wanted to travel, and the suicide person's like, I really wanted to See what it would be like to, you know, be in lava? You know,
Head in an oven sounds pretty nice.
I wanted to see what it'd be like to be close to death, you know? Like,
It's like
and then they guess the wrong person.
if the show would be very popular. We got some like high level tryhards looking over here.
Basically, my butthole is gonna be clenched the whole damn game.
Yep.
You ever had a booty clench so hard that you're like, whoa, that clench was booty.
Huh, that felt good.
Well, that felt like an ass cat.
I wonder if anybody's actually like clenched the butt that it actually felt good. I don't think so.
It's possible.
It's possible.
You already have a mortar, bro? Dude, fucking give me a kiss.
Okay. Hey, my package is here. Can I open my package?
Good. I needed
My
this.
ass
Oh,
was on
sick! I
fire.
got a death machine.
I put a
It's okay. I still have 50
no,
bullets.
Snoopy. Is it going good?
Yeah, I would say so.
Oh, and then they're right behind me. They're gonna
Above,
fucking
above.
rape me. Well, it's 130 above.
Allied mortar fire inbound. Enemy counter recon plane in your area.
Oh, come on. That should be an instant kill. Boom, headshot.
Oh, that's behind me. Oh, we won't worry about it.
You love me, Colin? If you love me, fuck me so.
I'm fine. I'm not fine.
Oh my god.
Okay, sick.
Oh my god.
Sick? Real sick?
What's going on?
I killed a lot of people.
Oh, and then he just kills me first.
Oh, did we flip spawns finally?
Yeah.
Yep.
Finally. Jesus, all my hard
Dude,
work.
there's just this guy sitting.
They keep trying to come back! They keep trying to come back!
Look at that. Oh.
They want their house back.
Yep, sniper on left side.
Hey, yeah.
They have a lot of gliders coming in.
Yeah, that's why I'm just gonna go back
Just
inside.
no, they're on our team, so it's cool. What the heck? They just chucked it. That's kind of cool.
Holy fish.
Are we taking this?
Another one? Okay. Yeah.
The castle, what? Freaking rocket launcher.
Take a shot.
Someone's on a roll.
Take a shot.
Is that Colin?
That better be.
This guy?
That guy.
Woman? Touching me!
I was like, I don't know what that is.
Touching you! Hey, Caroline! Blah, blah, blah!
I've never seen so good. Oh, didn't I? I don't know anything after that.
Ooh! Didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow. I'm gonna add a Molotov cocktail so I can show them what a fucking penis is gonna be in those stupid assholes.
God dang. Okay, sorry I bothered you. I didn't.
You shut up!
Leave me alone.
Mom, get out of my room!
Get out my room.
It was 19 hours ago. It's Mining Simulator. Open 100,000 candy eggs.
Oh.
Literally just opening eggs, which is simple because it's literally sit back, relax, and this is what I got. Biatch.
What? Sit back, relax. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god, my freaking. I'm good.
Ober. Would you like some French onion dip?
Oh, give me this French onion penis. It's.
Okay. I feel trust.
I will go with soldier for you.
Teammate, I don't know
Hey, they in the
why.
hood. Yep.
I need to see to win.
Ani con Simonko.
What?
Yeah, just coming inside the tank.
They're evident to your right. They're to your right.
But also in front of me, Colin.
They're also behind
Sorry,
you.
that was rude of me. That was a bad attitude.
Ow!
We're using my specialty. Those assholes.
Yeah. Jealous a-holes.
That's not.
Enemy recon. Spy in the sky.
Well, well. Hey, I went to positive!
Wow, y'all
Supposed to die.
suck. Y'all suck.
Where are you?
That's got busted.
1942.
Got busted.
For
Word.
real!
They got
Game
busted.
off
Oh,
11 to 1. I
motherfucking
wasn't
Them
scared.
motherfuckers, they
Dude,
probably gonna
freaking
give up.
Dazzle Dazzle.
They
I
gonna
thought
give
it
up
was
on
gonna
this
be like
game. Look at
Luis
this motherfucker
Barnes.
shooting
He
rockets.
went
Is that you,
24.
Keith?
Oh,
Nah,
Nah,
that ain't me.
nah.
That's that whole ass nigga on the other
That's
team.
still
He
the
was
win.
scared. He couldn't win no gunfight.
Yeah, I
He
don't
was supposed
hit
to
him.
start RPG.
hey Vicky, it's the thingy. Just turn on the bill, that it makes it the thingy.
I'm thinking about ordering this. I'm so hungry.
Shut up, fatty. Sorry, that was rude of me. You're not fat. You're not fat. I'm sorry.
I
You're
am
not fat.
exceptional.
You're
You're sharing your name, email, and order history with this restaurant. Yes, please.
Oh my fucking god. I feel like I'm sweating my nuts off. Hi, I'm Sarah McLaughlin. For $5 a day, you could save a sweating fat boy.
Is that so?
Yes.
How do I sign up?
You go to www.sweatingfatboy.com. Oh, sorry, not .com. We changed it to .gov.
.gov. Rah, rah, rah.
He's sucking.
Rah,
He blowing
rah,
all the way. He
rah,
knows
rah,
how to
rah.
give a good man top every day. He's good. He's a bottom. He's a cuddling man. I want it real gentle, want it real rough, aggressive.
Regressive. Regressive.
Oh. Hey, Vicky, you're so sicky. Just the wrath of you coming is so clicky.
That is disgusting. I don't want to be here anymore.
I'm
I
sorry.
don't want to be here anymore.
I don't want to die. Hello, people.
Hello,
I
my
missed.
people. Today, we're going to steal the moon.
And now we will steal the moon.
Come on.
Delivery.
Care package coming.
One giant penis for you.
A 3-foot thong you ordered and 55 tub of lube.
55 pounds worth of lube just for you.
No, on Amazon you can actually order 55. It's a whole thing. It's quite amazing.
Motherfucker, what kind of orgy you taking? Please invite me.
Oh, for what? Hello, teammate. Do you come here often?
Dude, you just sucked me. What?
He did
What
what?
did I say? I missed. Oh!
I've never heard that noise.
Sucked.
I wish I was recording.
Sorry.
What the heck was... Go, Evan.
Wow, I am top pregnant, guys.
Why?
Dude, I see where they go every time, and they just run like a freaking sus man.
What?
Oh yeah, you.
What are you? Have you given up today? I've shot a lot of bullets to kill that man, and I didn't kill him. Oh. I don't know.
Oh my god. Is my asshole falling?
Care package ready for you.
Time to go, time to go. Get the bloodthirsty. Oh, no, no, you're not. You're exceptional!
I'm gonna overkill people. I don't care if like, oh, Rackalash is really. You know what? Your mom's a loser. Shut up.
I don't know if that was necessary.
Really?
We
I would have killed him. I would have got the barrage. Oh my god! Stupid dog!
I didn't even.
I did positive. What?
What?
Dick sucking.
I didn't
Oh,
even. I didn't.